Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Tailscale for secure remote access to Home Assistant step by step clearly. To activate Tailscale for secure remote access to Home Assistant, start by visiting the Tailscale website. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. You can sign up using an email address or through existing providers such as Google or Microsoft. Once your account is created, log in to the Tailscale dashboard. Next, download and install the Tailscale application on the device running Home Assistant. You can find the appropriate installer for your operating system on the Tailscale Downloads page. After installation, launch the Tailscale application. It will prompt you to log in. Use the same account credentials you created earlier. Once logged in, Tailscale will assign a unique IP address to your device. Now, head to your Home Assistant interface through a web browser. You will need to configure Home Assistant to recognize Tailscale's IP address. Open the configuration.yaml file located in your Home Assistant configuration directory. Add the following lines to allow access through Tailscale: HTTP followed by server_port 8123 and save the changes to the configuration.yaml file. Next, restart Home Assistant for the changes to take effect. Once Home Assistant is restarted, you should be able to access it remotely through Tailscale. Open a web browser and type in the Tailscale IP address. This should take you directly to your Home Assistant dashboard. To enhance security, consider setting up access controls within Tailscale settings. You can specify which devices can connect to your Home Assistant instance. Finally, test your connection by accessing Home Assistant from a different network. Congratulations! You have successfully activated Tailscale for secure remote access to Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.